Hi! The new version of Oro's software platform NVGate 2022 has been released, bringing new functionalities and significant performance improvements. Among other features, this version offers a new operating mode, NVGate Reader, which can be very useful for licensed users as well as free users. In this video, I'll explain the benefits of this new operating mode for licensed users. If you do not have a dongle or analyzer within reach, you can now launch NVGate in Reader mode. You will be able to display signals and results, edit measurements, generate reports, collate and share projects, export signals and results, sort out data based on properties, and fill in the transducer database. In NVGate Reader, you will find the same Data, Display, Report, and Preferences tabs as you would in both Office and Connected modes. To display signals and results from previous NVGate measurements, we recommend to use the Edit Measurement feature, which enables to display the results in the same way as they were saved. You can select a measurement from the Project Manager tree and click on Edit, or select a measurement from the list using the Filter function. Then, from the Display tab, you will find several functions to modify the display. For example, you can rearrange windows and change the scales. You can also display the info trace. On this graph, the overall level and order 1 contribution of a proximity probe are displayed. Moving the cursors will enable you to read the graph's values. You can also add markers, like maximum markers, and modify their properties. Here, we change the number of max markers. The second max value appears in the table. Moving cursors on the waterfall window enables you to navigate into the waterfall to display the collected spectra. With the Report tab, you'll be able to automatically generate Word and Excel reports. The modifications done using the Edit Measurement mode can be saved when leaving this mode. You'll also surely appreciate using Reader mode to work on your user preferences and to fill in the transducers database. Your measurements can be shared to other free users as they can also utilize NVGate 2022 in Reader mode. In short, NVGate licenses enable a user to prepare a setup, perform online measurements, and post-analysis. Measurements can be shared to free users who will be able to, thanks to Reader mode, edit measurements, generate reports, and export signals and results. To share your measurements with your partners or team members, go to the Data tab and click on Share. Here, you can select the target. It can be a network if your partner has access to it, an external disk, or any location on your PC from which you will send the shared data to your partner. Do not forget to include the signals if you want to share them too. In the same way, if you need to work on measurements shared by your colleague or a partner, use the Collate function. Select the location of the data and click on Collate. The project and measurement will then be available in the Project Manager. Please make sure that the data has been generated, saved, and shared using NVGate 2022 if you plan to utilize the free Reader mode, as previous versions of NVGate are not compatible with this feature. This has been an overview of NVGate Reader, the new operating mode available with NVGate 2022. Please read our release notes for a full vision of the new version and visit our wiki to find details on the available functions. Keep in mind that improvements are based on the experience of our users who use the product every day in the field. Your feedback fuels our inspiration and allows us to continuously improve our products. Please enjoy NVGate 2022 and stay tuned on Oros.com for new updates.